Hi. So let me tell you how you can use the stepwise mechanism of sending an EMI structure. So once you click this link, you're going to get this particular page. And here you can put your, so I have got a pre-filled structure. You can put your name, you put your email ID, you can put your phone number. The amount is already there and just click next. So once you've clicked next, you will get into this new page, which talks about a screen or a scan page here. So there's a QR code and you see there's a convenience fee of 1,596 has been added here. So that is something that they get in for giving this platform. Go down, you will find either two ways. You can pay through Google Pay or anything directly by scanning it out. You can use UPI, Bheem, Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, or else you can do something called as more payment options. So once you go down there and you can use this more payment options, this is the page which is going to open up. Okay, so here you will find the banking details. So this is something for the complete EMI structure. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how you can now go into this part, click more payment options, and now you can click here, okay, with the EMI structure. So you see we've got credit card, debit card, net banking, EMI, and NEFT and bank transfer. So you click the EMI. So it takes straight way to the EMI page. Okay. So in this page, what you need to figure out is the credit card provider. So from this drop down, you can select any one of this banks, and ICICI, Axis, Standard Chartered Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, HSBC Bank, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank, RBL, Bank of Baroda. These are the registered people who are connected with this application right now. And what you get is the 4 different stages of it. So the first stage is for 3 months, second stage is for 6 months, third one is for 9 months, and the last one is for 12 months. So based on your favorable months or the number of durations you want to take it off, the different kind of EMI structures are there. The percentage are also different here. So if you say you want to select for 12 months, then what happens? 12 months, the interest rate is around 14%, that is 13.99, and the installment is going to be 4,183 rupees. So this is the amount which is going to get deducted from your account on the first month only, right? So here you put your credit card details. You can select whichever the card you want to have, expiry date, year, month, and the CVV number. Once it is done, you press this button and you are good to go. So once you press this button, you will be straightway taken to another page where you get all this informations in the mail format, and you will also get the bills of your payment as well. So with that, let me stop the recording, and this is how this entire EMI structure can be done. Just to recap you once again, I will just go back here. So once you get this kind of the page here, you put your name and email ID and phone number. This comes to this particular page. Okay, you go down here, click more payment option. From here, you can get into EMI, and EMI you can select your banks, and ultimately you can select the month. And in the month, you don't have to do anything much here. Add your card number, the month and year, and the CVV number, and you're good to go. So waiting for you to use this, avail this amazing feature, which I have only for a limited period of time. And I will see you on the other side. Bye-bye. Take care.